I made this list based on buyer suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Ever since the invention of drones, they've been serving various purposes for all kinds of professions. Whether it be for aerial surveillance, oil, gas, and mineral exploration, motion picture making, or just simply for recreation. Whatever your need for drones, we will help you choose the best drones that you can buy in 2022. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and our viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. Number 5. The Rise Tech Tello. We start our top 5 drones with this child-friendly starter drone that's safe for kids, young adults, and those who are new to drones. If this is your first time trying out a drone, Rise Tech Tello is the one for you. With a starting price of $99 for the regular Tello and $149 for the Tello Boost combo, Rise Tech Tello is the best starter drone for everyone of all ages. If you're looking for that child-friendly drone for your teen's birthday, this drone will make flying very easy. Just grab your phone, install the Tello app, and its friendly UI will tell you everything you need to know for your first drone flight. In terms of flight length and distance, Rise Tech Tello has a high-capacity battery that can offer as much as 13 minutes of flight time. Video transmission-wise, it provides a fantastic 720p video quality at a maximum distance of 100 meters with 2 smart antennas. Working around your Tech Tello drone has never been easier. Rise introductory drone is so small and compact, you can simply toss it in the air and it's good to go. This drone is safe and user-friendly. You won't have any worries about it landing wrongly or suddenly going out of battery. With a single tap, it can lift or land and will alert you when the battery gets low so that you can land safely. Don't worry if you lose connection, its fail-safe protection will allow you to land it safely anytime, anywhere. In terms of video or photo captures, Rise Tech Tello Intel processors, electronic imaging stabilization, easy shot, and 5-megapixel camera will give you decent quality videos and picture. Enjoy flying your drone with tricks like 8D flips to perform aerial stunts or make it fly through bounce mode. If you're a newbie drone user and want to learn about programming your drone to perform customized movements, Tello Edu provides this programming feature on your mobile device. At such a low price point, Rise Tech Tello packs a punch for all starter drone enthusiasts. Number 4. The Roku F11GIM. If you're looking for a more advanced drone for professional needs with higher quality specs, Roku F11GIM drones offer quite a punch at a number 4 on our list. Getting a good and clear shot of activities that require high-intensity movement and shooting like mountain climbing, skiing, and other activities that will shoot quick movement should you need, Roku F11GIM has to offer. It has a 4K camera with 2-axis gimbal stabilization that gives you a very clear and very stable video quality no matter what type of shooting activity you'll be doing with the drone. Photos are taken at 4K quality and videos are captured at 4K at 30 frames per second, together with its electric image stabilization technology, reducing blurriness in your shot and high-definition shoots. Noisy drones can be annoying and stressful to operate. F11GIM contain brushless motors that make the entire flight quiet yet powerful. With speeds reaching up to 15 meters per second, scared of running out of battery, your Roku comes with 2 intelligent batteries that can give you 28 minutes to a maximum of 56 minutes of flight time. If you plan on shooting landscapes and sceneries, this drone provides you HD image transmission from as wide as 1900 to 3900 feet and is remotely controlled to up to 4900 feet. With its far reach, you don't have to fear losing your drone with its GPS auto-return home function. Roku F11GIM also specializes in many smart features that will make your video capturing experience a lot better. Gesture shooting, point of interest flight, routing planning through waypoint flight, and a GPS intelligent tracking system. With all these smart and advanced features, you might think this drone would be complicated to operate. Fear not, because its Advanced Fly app lets you customize your flying experience, flying effortlessly with just a few taps and customizing shooting footage with just a few clicks. At number 3, the DJI Mini 2 Fly. At number 3 on our list is the DJI's Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 comes with two variants, the regular Mini 2 at $449 and the Mini 2 Fly More Combo at $599. What's so special about DJI's Mini 2 series? And ultra lightweight of fewer than 249 grams, Mini 2 Flight is genuinely mini in size, weighing only as light as an apple, but its unique features come in big waves. Small, compact, but powerful, with a size that fits the palm of your hand. Mini 2 can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off up to a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. You can get stunning and stable footage for shooting videos above and beyond a windy coastline, a forest, a beach, or a mountainous area. Its 10km HD video transmission lets you fly high and wide with clear video footage and anti-interface capabilities. Additionally, Mini 2 12-megapixel camera 4K at 30 frames per second video and 3-axis mounted gimbal gives you a ridiculously stunning and stable image and video quality that is sure to impress your audience. Even if you're feeling adventurous on your drone's flight, the 3-axis gimbal will keep your shots steady, clear and stable as possible. Want to get creative as a beginner? Mini 2 allows for quick shots that help you create professional-level videos with accompanying soundtrack and filters. The DJI Fly app also automatically enhances your image quality through its built-in photo optimization features, as well as downloading and instantly editing your photos as you like. DJI Mini 2 and Mini 2 Fly combo will give you 30 minutes of flight time, 4x zoom, resist level 5 winds while being easy and smart to operate with its smart return to home, automatic takeoff and precise hovering features. Number 2. Parrot Anify. Parrot Anify drones enters our list at number 2, Anify FPV and Anify Extended versions. The Anify Extended in particular comes with an Anify drone, 3 smart batteries, a Parrot Sky Controller 3, 8 additional propeller blades, and a compact travel bag, a 16GB microSD card, and an SD adapter, 3 USB-A to USB-C cables, and a mounting tool. Its 3 smart batteries give you 25 minutes of flight per battery at a maximum vertical speed of 4 meters per second and a maximum speed of 55 km/h. Weighing at 320 grams, Parrot Anify drone takes flight vibrations to a minimum with clear and stable video and shots due to its 2 mechanical and 3 electronic axes. It also features a 4K HDR camera quality with 3x zoom capacity and a 180-degree camera tilt to give your shots a better view of your target. We know the troubles of having to operate a drone. Many drones are susceptible to intense weather and environmental conditions. Still, Parrot Anify is built to withstand plus 40 degrees Celsius of humidity heat and plus 50 degrees Celsius of dry heat to as low as negative 10 degrees Celsius. It can also withstand weather conditions as bad as 50 km/h. The extended version of the Anify Nomad version where you can program it to automatically return to its starting point when the battery becomes critically low. And number 1, the DJI Mavic Air 2. On to the best of the best drones you can buy in 2022 is the DJI Mavic Air 2. With these smart and safe compact drones taking the top spot on our list, you can truly master the skies and get professional quality footage thanks to its focus track features. The intelligence tracking mode allows for active tracking, spotlight and point of interest shots. DJI Mavic Air 2 ups the game in terms of camera and video quality among its competitors. Its 4K 60 frames per second video gives you majestic aerial shots smoother than anything you've ever seen before. Mavic Air 2 also takes it a notch higher in terms of smart computing. Its smartphone features integrate scene recognition, hyperlight and HDR into one mode, allowing you to automatically optimize camera parameters based on 5 categories: sunset, sky, grass, snow and trees. These features optimize the best parameters for whatever condition you are taking your photos in. Mavic Air 2 does an impeccable job of flight safety without sacrificing video quality. OcuSync 2.0 allows for up to 10km video transmission while delivering 1080p FHD resolution live streamed directly from your drone's camera. Its battery makes the drone stay up in the air for a whole 34 minutes at a maximum speed of 68 km per hour in sports mode. Its vision sensors allow it to fly safer mid-air, avoid obstacles forward, backwards and downwards at a certain distance. With a plethora of smart features, there's no wonder why Mavic Air 2 should be your go-to drone in 2022. And that's it for today's Top 5 Best Drones video you can buy in 2022. For more mind-blowing videos of technology, gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel, like and share with friends, and we'll see you in the next video.